Good day everyone, I'm Christian Paredes and narito po ang aking ginawang presentasyon. Rational exponents and radicals. And ang ating linear objectives, understanding how to simplify and evaluate expression involving this concept. Ano nga ba ang rational exponent? Rational exponent are the exponent of numbers that are expressive as a rational exponent that is in a m over n. A is the base and m over n is the rational exponent we are not equal to 0. Ang rational exponent, the base must be ang positive integers. And para po natin siyang isulat ng pagganito. A raised to the power of n over n is equal n root of a raised to the power of m. A raised to the power of n over n equal quantity of a raised to the power of m. May tatlo po tayong property of rational exponent and radicals. Product property and quotient property and power rule. Then ganito po sila isolve. What is radical? A radical is the opposite of an exponent that is represented with a symbol, also known as root. It can either be a square root or a cube root and the number before the symbol. A radical is considered to be an index number or degree. Rational exponent and radicals. Example number 1. Cube root of 8 is equal 8 raised to the power of 1/3. And ang cube root po ng 8 is 2. Then 2 raised to the third power is equal 8. Para kung madali, 2 times 2 is equal 4. Then times 2 is equal 3. Then the final answer ay ito po yan. Cube root of 8 is 8 raised to the power of 1/3. Yung 1 po is nakuha ko dito sa imaginary number. Then yung 3 po dito is kinuha ko po dito sa cube root. Example number 2. 5 half is equal square root of x to the 5th power. Ang ating 5 is ang ating denominator. Then ang ating 2, siya po yung ating denominator. Si 2, ang ating ginawa denominator, ating ginawang square root. Then ito po yung ating square root. Example number 3. Fourth root of 16 is equal to, kaya po nag-equal to because 2 the fourth power is the fourth power then equal 16. Kung sa dali, 2 times 2 is equal 4 times 2 is equal 8 then times 2 times 2 is equal 16. Kaya po siya naging fourth root of 16 is equal 2. Example number 4. 27 is the 2/3 power. Simplifyan niya. Ang cube root ng 27 is 3. 3 raised to the 3rd power is equal 27. Para madali ito buha, 3 times 3 is equal 9. And times 3 is equal 27. Then 27 raised to the 2/3 power is equal 3 raised to the 3rd power then raised to the 2/3 power times to. Gagawin ko kung per letter. And is equal 3 to the second power. Ayan. Times na naman sarili. Ito. 3 times 3 is equal 9. Ito na yung final answer. Another example. Example number 5. Square root of x to the 6th power. Ayan, simplify natin yan. 3x to the 3rd power to 2nd power is equal x to the 6th power. Kaya naging 6 to pinag times to 2 at 3 at 2 para makuha to 6. Then the final answer is square root of x to the 6th power is equal x to the 3rd power. Yun po yung conclusion. Number 1. Rational exponent provide is efficient way to express and manipulate roots and power. Number 2. The connection between radicals and exponent allow for easy conversion and simplification. Number 3. Mastery of property is essential for solving complex problems efficiently. And thank you for listening.